Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my video lectures on signals and systems. And if you remember, in the last class, I explained what is a system. A system is a process for which cause and effect relations exist. Is it not? I gave examples of thermometer, public address system, etc., etc. So, for which there will be an input signal and output signal. Now today I will take up system and its properties. It has got properties, some properties. The very first property is memory property. See, for a human being, if memory is sound, then only he can remember people. Is it not? Otherwise he can't remember. So memory has to be sound. So in the case of systems also, this property exists. What is known as memory property. If memory doesn't exist, then we used to say memoryless. Memory or memoryless. So first property, memory. So keeping in mind both continuous time signal systems and discrete time signal systems. So I have given the definition. In whatever I have written in the bracket, it stands for discrete systems. A system has memory. If its output, you know what is output? If its output at a time t0, this is for continuous time systems. If it is discrete system, it is y of n0. A system has memory if its output at a time t0 or n0, that is y of t0 or y of n0, depends on input values other than x of t0, This is in the case of continuous time signal systems. In the case of discrete system, it is x of n0. Otherwise the system is memoryless. Now I will explain by taking examples whether the system is memory or memoryless. Now first example I will take. Y of t0 is equal to 10 times y of t 10 of xt. Now y of t is equal to 10 times x of t. What do you mean by this process? That means, as you know, that xt stands for input, yt stands for output. So output is equal to 10 times input signal. So it is like an amplifier. So here in this expression, left hand side we have yt, that is output at any time t. Output at any time t is 10 times output at any time x of t. Here also we have t. So depends on input values other than. So here also t. That means it is not other than t. Therefore, the system is said to be memoryless. It is like this. Y of t is equal to 10 times x of t. So here also t. Hence the system is memoryless. Memory or memoryless. In case it is memoryless, we used to say the system is static. Now I will modify this example. Now modifying this example, now I will write y of t is equal to, second example, y of t is equal to 10 times x of t minus 1. What is difference between t and t minus 1? It is like this. Now presently we are in 2021. That is t. In the past means t minus 1. One less. 2020 is previous one. Future one will be 2022, that is n plus 1. n, n minus 1, n minus 2. So n means present, n minus 1 means past, n plus 1 means future. So y of t, that is output t, is equal to 10 times x of t minus 1. That means here it is t, it is something different, t minus 1. Hence, as this is depends on input values other than x of t naught, other than x of t. It is other than x of t is x of t minus 1. Hence, this system is said to be memory. When the system is memory, we used to say the system is dynamic. We used to say system is dynamic. So y of t, and in addition to this also there may be 5 times x of t. It doesn't matter. Xt is present, but here there is a term x of t minus 1 different from t. Hence it is different from t. Still the system is memory and it is dynamic. Now I will give some more examples. Now I will give this example of discrete system. Y of n is equal to 5 times x of n minus 10 times x of n minus 2. So expression for output y of n. So y of n is depending on two factors. One is x of n, which is same as y of n. So here also n, here also n. But the second one is x of n minus 2. N minus 2. So this one is different. This one is different. Input values other than. That is why the system is said to be memory. The system is said to be memory. They said to be memory. This is what is known as memory or memoryless properties. Memory. So a system has memory if its output at time t naught. In the case of continuous time systems, in the case of discrete system, it is n naught. Depends on input values other than x of t naught or x of n naught. Otherwise, the system is memoryless. In the next class, I will work out examples on memory. So go through the statement and we shall meet next time. Thank you.